Hello everybody, so I'm back with another video and this time it's going to be a unboxing. So you guys know that the lighting on my video has been a little bit terrible, so I finally decided that I'm gonna get myself a ring light, and I saw a special and I bought it last week. It arrived today, so let's open it. So there's two parts of the ring light, so I'm gonna open the bottom part first, which is the stand. So I haven't opened this, so I don't know if they sent me anything that's broken or what am I gonna see when I open this, because we're all doing it together. I hope you guys are having a nice day. It's very hot outside. Try to drink as much water as you can, and if you're outside, get some sunscreen on yourself and just tick. Okay, so this is clearly the stand. Okay. Not sure how it works. It seems like that one pole is stuck. Let's see. Okay, I guess that's as far as it goes. And then there's some twisties here. Okay, there we go. I don't going up. I'm not sure if there's another level that goes up or whatever. But that's the height of it. And then let's get the actual light out. This is the size. I didn't want something that is too massive. Okay. So it looks like the one leg is shorter than all the others. It was cheap, so what do we expect, eh? But I love a cheap thing. Anyway, let's open this. So it's 10-inch. We can all try it together. Okay, there's quite a few parts here. So there's a piece for the phone, then there's a cable with a USB port, and then there's the light. So I'm guessing that this part over here, this thing looks like it's a bit flexible. Okay, it should be flexible. It just probably needs to get worn in a little bit. I don't know, because it's just bouncing back. See? Okay, there's like a little head over here. Looks like a screw-on thingy. But anyway, the circle here looks about the same size as my camera, so it doesn't matter about that. And then let's see if this gets screwed on here properly. It has just like sticker. Yay! Exciting stuff. Okay, I need to see what's happening here because this is one leg. Okay, there we go. So it does grow. We just need to flip. So here we go. And then here is there's like a plug thingy on here. See? So like brighter and brighter and brighter. So I just need to quickly look for a USB. I'll be back. I have it plugged into the TV and I switched the TV on in the room. So let's see if it works all together. So there's an on button here. I'll just turn this a bit. See, on this remote thingy, there's an on button. Yay! And then there's a minus, which I don't know what it does. And then there's like a plus. And then there's this, like a, ooh. I like this side. So let me see. Can you see it just gives you like a better glow? Well, they say so. This one's bright. And then that's dim. And then that's that reddish color. Just so you guys can see. Can you see? This one's so nice. Gives you that fresh tan. I am happy days. Happy, happy, happy. So I got this one from One Day Deal.
Você
I
quer
think I
ficar
paid
comigo?
$1.99
Eu
for it.
quero dançar contigo.
got delivered
O
today.
Ancudé,
Thank
o
you.
Ancudé. Teu olhos, meu ouro, são flores do sol. Você quer brincar comigo? Eu quero dançar contigo. O Ancudé, Cudé, o Ancudé, o Ancudé. Teu olhos, meu olho.